In today's video, we are pitting the spacious built-in BLACK+DECKER against the compact portable SPT dishwasher. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these dishwashers, make sure to check the link in the description below. We are looking at two very different approaches to kitchen cleanup, starting with the BLACK+DECKER, which offers a massive 12-place setting capacity and a tall tub perfect for those larger, dirtier family meals, while the SPT counters with a smaller 8-place setting but brings a freestanding design that is incredibly easy to install anywhere, making it a fantastic choice for apartments or RVs. The BLACK+DECKER is a permanent built-in unit with a sophisticated stainless steel tub and a quiet 54 decibel operation, whereas the SPT is a portable powerhouse with a slightly louder 52 decibel noise level, but its mobility is a huge advantage for renters. When it comes to washing options, the SPT actually edges ahead with 6 wash programs including Eco and Glass, while the BLACK+DECKER offers a solid 5 plus a smart wash cycle that uses soil sensors to automatically adjust the water, and its 3-layer filtration system is brilliant for trapping food particles, whereas the SPT's time delay feature lets you set it to run up to 24 hours later, which is incredibly convenient for off-peak energy usage. The interior flexibility is also key. The BLACK+DECKER has fold-down tines in the lower rack to fit those awkward casserole dishes and an adjustable top rack that can be raised 2 inches, while the SPT also features an adjustable upper rack to accommodate taller pots, proving that both brands understand the need for versatility. However, the BLACK+DECKER stands out with its heated dry option and sanitize mode, which are essential for killing bacteria, not to mention the sleek LED interior light, while the SPT offers a simple yet effective rinse aid warning indicator to ensure your glasses always come out spotless, and its full console controls give it a classic, reliable feel. The SPT is the ultimate space saver with its 18-inch width, perfect for tight kitchens, but the BLACK+DECKER commands attention with its larger footprint and robust build quality. And honestly, if you are renovating your kitchen, that stainless steel tub and built-in look of the BLACK+DECKER is tough to beat. For the sheer ability to handle a family's worth of dishes and the long-term durability of a permanent installation, the BLACK+DECKER is undeniably the better investment for most homes. And we have made sure to find the best price available for you. So go ahead and click that link in the description below to secure the best deal on your favorite model before it's gone.